What's up, y'all? Richard with Cutting Up Lawn Care and Development. Quality gets quantity. And I want to show you guys something real. So this is the mower that I'm running for in my slow season, only because my other mower's in the shop right now. Other than checking on, checking on major things such as your fluid levels, making sure you have fluid in there. I want to show you guys something real quick. Put that back on there. All right. So one major thing you want to pay attention to is your air filter. So I ran this thing all day yesterday, and I checked the filter every day because in Georgia it's been very droughty, dusty, and look at that. You see that dust? You see that? So that's just from one day of cutting grass. And it wasn't like I had a lot of yards yesterday, like maybe 6 or 7. But that's one day of cutting grass. So you always want to make sure that you're cleaning out your filters, which is most important, especially if you have a dry season like we have here in Georgia. We're supposed to be getting some rain later on this week, but most of all, it's been very dry. So, any machine that's gas powered or anything, this is how it gets its air. You know what I'm saying? So you definitely want to make sure that you checking those filters every day, because you see that dust, right? And I'm not even done shaking it out. I was just giving you a short example. But, just imagine if your nose was clogged like that every day. How well would you be able to function? And these machines, we run them every day, all year round. And so these are our main money makers. So you definitely want to protect your investment, all right? That was just a quick tip from Cutting and Development. Quality gets quantity. Peace.